Let's talk about HFA, not FHA, but HFA. It's a conventional mortgage that's offered through state agencies, although they have to comply with Freddie and Fannie Mae guidelines. So always remember that. So the thing of it is, FHA have mortgage insurance. HFA has private mortgage insurance. However, just like with any conventional loan, once your loan to value come down under 80%, it's at 79%, then you can have PMI removed, private mortgage insurance. You can have that removed. But with FHA, it's for the life of the loan. Unless you refinance to conventional, you change the product from FHA to conventional or whatever the case may be. So here's the good thing. It's geared towards low to moderate income. So that's a good thing for first-time home buyers who have low to moderate income. Also, they have a low down payment system. It's 3%. A lot of people are going with a lower down payment. One of my companies that I'm approved through my lender, they offering the 3% down, but they are giving you a grant or 2%, and all you have to put down is 1%, and that's a conventional mortgage too. So that's really good. But a lot of companies is doing this. With FHA, you have to put down 3.5%. With HFA, you have to put down 3%, which is good. But again, they have help with the down payment and the closing costs. They even have it where as you can take your down payment assistance that you need and make it as a second mortgage. So it's like having a first and second mortgage with your new mortgage. So that's pretty cool too, because they haven't been doing the first and the second simultaneously at this in a long time. So here goes some of the things. I'm going to just read it off so I will not be, like confusing you guys or anything like that. Heck, confusing me. So, like I said, 3% down for single family homes, credit score at least 620, debt to income ratio 45%. Now with FHA, it could be up to 43%. So this is even better. It has to be your primary residence, like the same as FHA. Your local HFA may have extra minimal things that you have to meet because it's a state agency program. So, even though it is guided by Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae, it still have their what they call state agency guidelines as well. So it's the same thing with a lender. When you get a mortgage through a lender, you have to comply with Fannie or Freddie, whichever loan product you choose, and then the lender always have guidelines that they may add on to the product as well. We call these mortgages products. So if you hear me keep saying products, that's what I mean. Low to moderate income, conventional private mortgage insurance. I went over that. You could cancel it after you do the 20%. Pros of a HFA loan, low down payment requirement and closing costs. With a FHA loan, you can put down as little as 3%, as I said, and you can also get down payment assistance. So that is pretty cool. But you can also get assistance with your closing costs, which is great because that's basically the majority cost of the loan that you'll be paying, other than the amount that you borrow. It's not widely available. So you have to check your local state agency, mortgage broker in your county or realtor to see if they know somebody that offer this type of product that is given out, which is good. It's still good. So again, first-time home buyers, those with moderate to low income, they do have an income medium, meaning for that particular area, that state agency, your income may not be able to exceed a certain amount. It says the HFA loan do allow purchases of 2 to 4 unit residence, meaning you can finance a duplex, which is, y'all know, my favorite. Forget a dream house, get a dream house later, but get you some money now, right? You know, that's my thing. Let me see, and I'm gonna click on this guide to see what it offers for. Let's see what it says. First-time home buyers program, down payment assistance. I was trying to see if they gave me something regarding each state so that I could look at the state to see which states qualify, because it is saying that it's not widely. So it's not throughout the whole, United States. They have first-time home buyers grants as well, and loans, which is cool. A lot of people now are really looking into first-time home buyer grants, because a lot of people need, help with the down payment, even though they may have some savings, but they need help. They need help. Everybody need help with something. Okay. Yeah, so it doesn't list the state, but this is really, this is a really good program. And it is really good to have. Like I said, if you have low to moderate income, you are a first-time home buyer, you have a credit score of 620, you have 3% to put down, or you need help with down payment assistance and closing costs, this program will help you. Again, it is called a HFA, and it is not a FHA. I say that so much. Let me see if this one got the, oh no, that's the same thing I had before. I was trying to see, but anyway, I should have looked it up before. But as I get more information, I will share it with you guys. Like, follow and share for more great content like this. I'm trying to get you all some wealth, building wealth. I'm not trying to get you your dream home. I'm going to get you a starter home approved for a starter home, or I'm going to get you that duplex, baby, because you can make some money off of the duplex. Y'all got to think big instead of thinking small or thinking like the Joneses. No more thinking like the Joneses, baby. We are thinking like the, well, I ain't going to say Rockefellers, because they, but we're going to think higher, at a higher level. We are elevating our mindsets into thinking like, hey, I don't care, me and my kids or whomever all got to be crammed in one apartment. We renting out the other 3 and collecting their money, baby. Yes, we building some wealth. And after we buy that one, we're going to refinance and take the equity out and buy another one, and buy another one, and buy another one, until we done got enough equity and enough wealth that we are buying commercial real estate. Yes, baby. Ooh, I'm going to talk to y'all about that too. We're going to start buying land. Y'all need to start buying land. Y'all need to get with real estate. Man, I don't know how it is that so many people done got wealthy, and I mean wealthy off of real estate. Then they go and do other things because they're wealthy from the real estate. But I digress. I love you guys.